This fast cut wheel, we have one available down in the clinic support lab and then one upstairs on the second floor support lab. It's a great, quick and easy device to index the base of your cast. Now you can do this with a handpiece, you can do it with any number of methods. You're just trying to create an irregular surface at the base of your cast. So we'll insert our fast cut wheel and make sure we've got our light on, and then start the, looks like our vacuum is going. I like to put the indices somewhere near the middle rather than at the edge, and we'll get into why when we mount. I'll show you the reason for that, but if you can put in, and always give yourself a good backup, something to lean against. Don't try to do this freehand. So lean up against the lathe motor, and you're going to make 3 cuts. Somewhere near the center like that. They don't have to be terribly deep, but they do have to be definite. And then we'll do the same thing on the lower. So something like that. Okay. Then one more time with your toothbrush, just get rid of that slurry. Make sure you've got a nice clean cast. Again, be very, very careful. Don't do a lot of brushing on your critical areas on the tooth surface. You may need to do some because you don't want any slurry left there. And now both casts should be ready for mounting. I may do a little more debubbleizing just to clean them up a little bit, but the next step will be mounting these onto the articulator.